How to fix CapCut lag. In this video, I will show you how to fix CapCut lag. First, open the CapCut mobile application just like I have done here. You will land on the homepage of the app. The lagging can be caused by different issues. Sometimes you may have many projects and that can cause the app to lag. So, do this. Delete some of the projects to reduce the memory consumption of the app. Tap on the three dots beside the project. A menu with options such as Upload to Space, Rename, Duplicate, and Delete appear. From the options, tap on this one named Delete. You will get a pop section that asks you to confirm your action. Go ahead and tap here, Delete, and the project will get deleted. Do that for all the projects and the problem will be solved. If after doing that, the issue is still there, tap on the settings. It is this icon here with the gear symbol. You will land on the settings page where you will see all these different options such as auto upload, feedback, terms of service, privacy policy, open source software notice, and clear cache. From the options, tap this one named Clear Cache. You will get this confirmation menu where you are required to confirm your action. Go ahead and tap Confirm. Finally, exit the CapCut mobile application and open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because the tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS. After that, search for CapCut and check if the CapCut mobile application needs to be updated and updated. This will ensure you get a new and fresh installation of the app. That is how to fix CapCut lag.